Hey everybody, in this video I'm installing a rear subframe brace and sway bar. This is a safety upgrade that will improve handling and chassis strength, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to do this upgrade on your car.
Said use the longer spacer between the brace and the chassis. And go on like this.
When reinstalling the new bolt for the subframe brace, you might need to use the jack to line up the lower control arm with the mounting hole. And you can give the wheel a good kick if you need to. When it comes to doing work on my car, this impact wrench is the best tool I've ever bought.
Doable with hand tools, easier with an impact wrench.
These black mounts hold the sway bar bushings, and once you get those on, you just sort of wrestle the sway bar into place. Okay, now assemble the sway bar linkages. These connect the sway bar to the lower control arms.
That looks like 3 inches.
That's what she said!
Now thread the linkages into the lower control arms. And attach the linkages to the sway bar. Alright, the sway bar is attached to the lower control arms. Now it's time to tighten up all of the brace bolts and clean up. Project done!